What's up, y'all? I'm Malcolm Thomas, and we are back for another episode of the Tour and HISD Showcase. I'm here today at Attucks Middle School, where they have a phenomenal CTE program. They're a STEAM school, and today, y'all, they're doing an event called a Holiday Hackathon, a competition event. So we're gonna go in there, we're gonna check it out, see some of the different competitions that they're doing, and hopefully we can leave today learning something new about technology. Come on, y'all, follow me. All right, everybody, so we are here. We're right outside the gym. The students are gearing up for their first round of competitions. I'm hearing the excitement. I hear there's gonna be drones, robotics, so hopefully they can teach me a little bit about tech as well. So come in, let's get started, y'all. Oh wow, y'all, look at this. Only in HISD do you have students here that are doing coding, doing robotics. These are our future technology majors of the world. They're gonna teach us a lot of things about technology today. I'm looking over here, I'm seeing drones fly. I'm seeing little obstacle courses too. I'm telling y'all, this is gonna be a great event. I'm just happy to be here at Attucks today. Come on, y'all. Let's watch, let's tune in, let's learn, and then we'll celebrate at the end. How about that? All right, I'm here, we're here. I see Miss Moore over here. I'm gonna go over here, ask her a few questions about what's going on today. Miss Moore, how you doing today?
I'm well, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, can't complain. Enjoying this cool event. So I'm here with Miss Moore. She's a magnet coordinator here at Attucks Middle School, and I just have a few questions for you. So how can programs like this, or this event, the Holiday Hackathon, how can it support CTE programs within the district?
So what a holiday hackathon does is it does exactly what it's doing. It's getting the kids engaged. It's teaching the kids to create, to dream, to problem solve, to do all those things that we're asking to do.
So how did this event, the Holiday Hackathon, how did it come about? Is this an event that Attucks hosts yearly, annually?
Well, actually, this is our first holiday hackathon, and we want it to be an annual event because what we want to do is make sure that we're engaging the kids in creating and dreaming and making sure we're building that capacity for them to have access and the skills needed for the 21st century careers. So that's what this does.
Ooh, look at this. This is the first time I'm seeing one of these up close and personal. I like how you doing this. I wish I could learn how to do it. What's your name?
Tremaine.
Tremaine? Yeah. What grade are you in, Tremaine?
I'm in 8th grade STEAM.
8th grade STEM. Nice, nice. So I got a question for you, if you don't mind. What inspired you to be a part of the STEM program and the CTE program here at Attucks Middle School?
I had already had a loving for robots, and so I'd always dreamed of being a team leader of a robotics team. And so, and it's just like, you know, I love my friends and just working together with me and my friends, us working together on, you know, the CTE competition. It's just, you know, it's just fulfilling all of my dreams.
There's been so many different competitions going on here today at Attucks Middle School for their Holiday Hackathon. And unfortunately, we've reached our last stop. We're here where they're doing underwater aerobics, underwater robotics. I'm sorry, I said aerobics. Underwater robotics. I mean, if I could swim, I would dive in there and do it right along with them. But I'm glad you all took the journey with me today to see a little bit of what HISD has to offer, right? They have so much to offer with the CTE and STEM programs here throughout the district. I've learned about drones today, so now when I see a little drone in the sky getting ready to deliver my food, I know what that is. I've learned about underwater robotics, talked to the staff, talked to some students. It's been an amazing day. So thank you all so much for taking this journey with me today. This is HISD, The Tour. I'm Malcolm Thomas. Come back next time, see what we have to offer. Because trust me, HISD has a lot to offer.